My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Ggyu. Ggyu is a special ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data can be opened pretty easily without complications. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, because of certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, this Ggyu ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts these files, and after people restart their computers, they just cannot use their documents anymore. All these files get damaged and encrypted by this Ggyu ransomware. The ransomware is called like that because it adds a special extension which is called Ggyu. This extension will be added to all the files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other data. So you try to open the specific file, and this is the message that you get saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Ggyu extension. The ransomware instructs its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. And if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money for nothing. What we recommend you to do is to carefully research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats fully from your computer. Now the program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. You will see the summary of the threats which were found during the scan at the end of the scan. So you need to pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license only. It allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Combo Cleaner will help you to understand what sorts of threats were found on your system. You'll be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer. Based on the information about the locations of threats, some threats can be indeed removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.